How to redeem codes in Dragon City. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Google Chrome and search for Dragon City. Click on the first website that pops up, which is the original Dragon City website. After that, simply click on that website. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Connect to your game and log in. You'll find all these redeem codes. You just need to log in. If you have Elite Pass Plus, there's holiday offer of different kinds, gem packs, which is 10% off. Also Black Friday offers, VIP eggs, puzzle moves, event coins, and web store packs as well. And that's how you redeem codes in Dragon City. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.